What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be looking at a smartwatch. This smartwatch is going to be for someone who maybe just wants to keep track of their fitness. It also has a nice touchscreen on here, nice size. This one is catered to men with the size, or if you just want a watch with a bigger touchscreen on there, this may be the one for you. It could work for anybody. This one is compatible with Android and Apple. It has a text and call feature. It keeps track of your heart rate, blood oxygen, and different activity trackers. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the unboxing of the watch, and then we'll take a look at some of the features. So this is the way it looks in the box. And there you go. So once again, this is a 1.9 inch screen, almost 2 inches. And this is the way it looks on the back. You have your charging cable for it as well. That's just under here. This is a USB, your standard USB on one side, and then you have your charging connection on the other, which is magnetic. There you go. So now let's take a closer look at the features. Also, if you want to download the app's QR code is right on the back of the box. That way you'll be able to keep track of the fit features on your device. So there it is. This is a nice smartwatch with a fitness tracker and an activity tracker. If you're looking for something like this, you might want to give it a try. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section. And hopefully the information that I gave you helps you make your decision. Other than that, this is Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one.